guys, in today's video, we'll be comparing two classic best-selling models from Ortur, OLM3 and OLM2 Pro S2. If you are new to Ortur machines, one of the most challenging issues can be deciding which machine to choose, right? But don't worry, today we'll break it down for you through 5 key aspects: structural design, operational experience, engraving and cutting performance, security, expandability, and module upgrades, making this decision a breeze. The OLM2 Pro S2 features a classic open frame design, making it ideal for hands-on users who enjoy DIY projects. The OLM3 adopts a more modular approach, enabling faster assembly. Users who prefer quick setup and immediate operation may find the OLM3 more suitable. The OLM2 Pro S2 is primarily controlled via computer using Librem or laser GLBR software. Building on this, the OLM3 adds a convenience of wireless connectivity through Ortur's mobile application Expandability. If you are already comfortable with computer-based operation, the OLM2 Pro S2 will serve you well. But for those who want the flexibility or mobile engraving anytime, anywhere without needing a computer, the OLM3's wireless capability make it a better choice. Based on the results, it can be seen that in the case of 2.8mm plywood at the same speed and with the same power, they finish cutting in almost the same time. And with the same results in the case of engraving patterns, the OLM3 10-1 will be better than OLM2 Pro S2, although there's not too much differences on finishing speed. Both models support the use of expansion accessory, with the key differences being that OLM2 is 50mm longer than OLM2 Pro S2. In terms of safety features, the OLM2 Pro S2 is equipped with 7 safety functions, including a flame detector and tilt protection. The OLM3 offers 8 safety functions, such as an anti-collision watchdog mechanism and laser exposure time limit. If you already own the OLM2 Pro S2 10-1, you can subsequently upgrade the module to 20-1, but you need to use with OUC1 or OUC2. If you already own the OLM3 10-1, the follow-up can be upgraded module to 20-1, 40-1, 2-1 infrared laser module. It should be noted that the 20-1 module need to be used with OUC1 or OUC2. The 40-1 module need to be used with OUC2. For hobbyists focused on daily DIY projects and handcrafting, the OLM2 Pro S2 is an excellent choice. However, if you require extensive extendability, advanced creative applications, or semi-commercial use, the OLM3 would be the more suitable option. So which model would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below.